Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this question set, we are going to discuss these 5 questions. So the first question, find all the marks obtained by the students in all the subjects in the first to the integer. So here we have to round off the marks to an integer. So I have used a round function to round off the marks to the nearest integer. So let's see the result. So here you can see I have rounded off the numbers to the nearest integer. Second question, find the average 2 decimal places in the marks obtained by the students for the first term mathematics subject. So here we have used average or AVG function along with the cast. So we have casted the average to the second decimal place. So this is the decimal base, which decimal base 10, and to the nearest second place. So here also we have used 2 inner joins. So here we have used cast along with decimal to round off the mark to the nearest second decimal place. So here you can see it has been rounded off to the second decimal place. The third question, what is the lowest mark obtained for the science subject in all the term examinations of all the students in class 11A? So here I have used a min or minimum function to get the lowest mark, and I have used 4 inner joins along with the conditions. Let's execute and see the result. So we have received the minimum mark of 23.5 as the minimum mark for the science subject. Fourth question, find the average of the marks obtained in Amanda Moses second term maths, science and Sinhala language and literature. So here as you can see I have used average function to get the average of the marks, and I have used 3 inner joins to combine these 3 tables in one subquery. So the average adds up to 88.62666. For the last question, find the average 2 decimal places in the marks obtained by students in class 11A in the second term for all subjects. So we have rounded off or casted the average to the second decimal place. So AVG represents average and constants rounding or forecasting. So here we have used 4 inner joins as well as conditions around. So now let's execute and see the result. So the average has been casted down to the second decimal place, which is 76.52. And that's it for the question set 29. See you soon from set 30.